Hello, dear subscribers. That will tell you how you can easily fix your error with your Facebook Messenger. So, if Facebook Messenger not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it? So, for fixing, first thing, just go to the settings and just check your internet connection. So, if you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you're using cellular data or mobile data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also, you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you too, just go to the general, just open software update, just wait until check for updates. And if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. Also, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down under reset, you will see shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, just check updates for your messenger. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write messenger. And if you see here update, not open but update, it means that you have available updates for your iPhone. So just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.